So once again, it's Wednesday at 15th of January. Just want to do a larger view of the ASX200, and because really at the moment, price, we've just opened and we've been open for a little bit, but price really just popped up from this absolutely no liquidity state here in this area, popped up towards that key high, towards that 250, 260, depending which feed you're getting. Now it's just coming back in the range. I think if we have a closer look, there's a few arguments here. This is the daily chart, so we could argue we've got a fairly good head and shoulders happening in here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So that could be one argument for the bigger picture. Obviously we're trading just the volatility, really. We're not as concerned. Well, we do look at the overall trend, I guess, and the energy into the actual trading, but we can see here, you could definitely say this is a head and shoulders which is formed, but withstanding that, if we go to the 4-hour chart, you can see a few things happening here. We had price come back down, so you can always take a few sides of the coin, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And we look at this area here, we had a low, price comes up, get the other low, makes a new high, comes low. So you could argue we could be heading higher. What we do notice here, when we hit this low, we break out, come back and fill in that void, then we fill in this entire void here. So then we break out. So it's not very desirable at the moment for day trading. It's a little bit it's non-directional, I guess, but you know, we might come back and retest this area again and just play within this range here before we start looking at a breakout either in that direction or start bleeding lower. So we're not too worried either way. We're just trading the volatility, but I think this is a key level right in here, and if you can break up in here, then we're heading up towards this 300 level and then higher again. But you know, you might get much of this type of price action again where price is just trading in here before it maybe dips down and then makes another step higher. These are all the things that could happen. We're just trying to be open to anything rather than just being fixed on an outcome that could happen. But I think if we broke higher now today, we might come back, do a bit of a retest, and then might be an opportunity to go long again. But either way, so we're not fixed on anything. If we step back down to a 5-minute chart, here's the price action for this morning. We've only been open a half hour, but we can just see here, price opening here, comes down into this level. So we've got a fairly small range. The ATR, the average true range, is about that between 70 and 80 at the moment, so we did a bit less yesterday. So yeah, we're normally what we'd like to see something happening here, whether it breaks up higher and moves on to give us opportunity, or breaks down lower. We might look at a low down here to trade, but at the moment this is just dribbling price action, so difficult to really commit to any live money to this.